Mates, have you ever been in a meeting where everyone is throwing ideas around, but nothing really sticks? You leave the room, and half the team remembers things differently. That's the problem with brainstorming, when you don't have the right space to capture everything visually. That's exactly why visual collaboration tools exist. I'm Daniel, and today I want to show you how Confluence Whiteboards tackle this issue head-on. In this video, we'll explore how these boards help teams capture ideas, prioritize work, and stay aligned without the usual chaos. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. So, my friends, Confluence is a collaborative workspace where teams organize knowledge, collaborate on work, and manage projects together. It's trusted by millions of teams worldwide, from small startups to major companies like Tesla and Amazon. Now, Confluence isn't just about text documents and pages. The platform includes whiteboards, which are visual boards designed specifically for team collaboration. Think of them as your digital thinking space, where teams can brainstorm, plan, and make decisions together in real time. These boards are especially useful at the start of a project, when it's too early for detailed specs, but you need to capture ideas fast. Instead of writing long documents, your team can sketch out concepts, vote on ideas, and quickly agree on direction. What I especially like is how everything connects with Jira. You can pull in tasks and keep your planning tight directly, so you turn abstract thoughts into concrete action. Folks, let me walk you through creating and using a whiteboard. When you start a new board, Confluence offers a library of templates for the most common team scenarios. They let you begin with structure and purpose right away. The templates cover different categories like brainstorming with various strategies, planning and strategy templates, and diagram boards. You'll also find team-building activities and agile practice boards. Each one is built for a specific purpose, so you can pick what fits your current needs. I'll choose the prioritization matrix template. This one helps teams not just generate ideas, but quickly figure out what actually deserves attention first. It's a simple yet powerful way to cut through the noise and focus on what matters. And if you don't want to start from a template, you can always open a blank whiteboard and build your structure from scratch. Complete freedom depending on how your team prefers to think. Mates, once the board opens, you'll see the matrix laid out clearly. It's divided into quadrants based on impact and urgency. High impact and high urgency items go in the top priority zone. The structure makes decision-making visual and obvious. Multiple people can work on the same board simultaneously. You can literally watch as teammates add notes, move items around, and react in real time. For example, someone might drop a task into the high-impact, high-urgency section, while you're adding your own idea to the low-impact, high-urgency section. People can react to ideas right on the board. If someone likes a suggestion, they can drop a quick thumbs up or comment directly. No need to jump into a separate chat or send an email. Everything happens in context, right where the work is. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Here's a feature that really connects the dots. You can add actual tasks from your Jira projects directly onto the whiteboard. Just import a work item, and it becomes part of your prioritization discussion. Friends, this means your brainstorming session isn't disconnected from your actual project backlog. And it works both ways. You can also convert whiteboard sticky notes into Jira tasks, turning ideas into trackable work in seconds. Folks, let me show you another template quickly. The brainwriting board is designed for collaborative idea generation. It shows suggestions from different people, tracks how many rounds of discussion happened, and records everything in one organized space. It's like having a structured conversation that doesn't get lost the moment the meeting ends. You can also work with sticky notes in various formats. Arrange them by theme, group similar ideas together, or use color coding to separate different types of input. The flexibility here is pretty solid. On top of that, AI can help generate new stickies based on your discussion and automatically cluster related ideas together. It brings structure to messy boards, so your collaboration stays creative without becoming chaotic. Friends, for more complex scenarios, Confluence offers diagram templates. The swim lanes process map, for example, lets you visualize user journeys across different departments or functions. You can show exactly where each team touches the process and spot gaps or overlaps instantly. All of these tools work together seamlessly. Whether you're sketching quick ideas on sticky notes or mapping out detailed workflows, everything stays in one place with your team. That's the real advantage. You're not switching between 10 different tools to get from concept to execution. Okay guys, let's sum it up. We've seen how Confluence whiteboards turn messy brainstorming into organized action plans. Your ideas won't get lost in chats or notebooks. They'll live in one visual space instead. Your whole team can access and build on everything together. The templates give you a strong starting point, and real-time collaboration keeps everyone in sync. The Jira integration connects your planning directly to your work. It's made to move teams from thinking to doing fast. Mates, if you want to collaborate visually, try Confluence whiteboards. Experiment with the templates and bring your team in. What kind of team challenge do you think visual boards could help solve in your workflow? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.